Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Parrot Security OS 6.2. But the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. First open any web browser. Then go to Apache Friends to download the XAMPP. See here, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment, and it is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay, so see here we have the download for Windows, Linux and Mac. So click on XAMPP for the Linux. Wait a moment, it is going to download. Go to here, see. See, download started and its size is 153 megabytes and it is run file. Wait until download completes. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the run file, but this is not executable. See, it is not executable, so make it as executable. chmod +x, then give the XAMPP file name, then give the tab and hit enter. ls. See, color has been changed. See, we got the executable permissions. Now it is executable. So Ctrl L. Now install it. Sudo // then give the first 2 or 3 letters of the XAMPP run file. Give the tab and hit enter. Then forward the password. Click on forward. See here by default it has selected XAMPP core files. If you want developer files, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, I'm going to select both. So click on forward. See, this is the installation directory. So click on forward. Ready to install. Click on forward. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, installation is completed. If you want to launch XAMPP control panel, you have to select the checkbox. Even if you unselect, you can also launch the XAMPP control panel. So select it and click on finish. Now go to manage servers. See, Apache web server is running and start the MySQL database. Click on start. See, both MySQL service also running. So see, MySQL database service also running. Even if you want to start pro FTPD, click on it, start. Okay, these two are enough now. So go to a browser, new tab, then give localhost, hit enter. See, if we got this welcome to XAMPP page, it means we have successfully installed. And see here it is installed Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay, click on phpMyAdmin. See, these are the list of the databases in MySQL. If you want to create database, just click on new, then provide the database name, then click on create. See, new database is there. Okay, if you want to create database by using queries, click on query. See, it is going to perform actions on this bank database. So create a database by using SQL statement. testdb, submit query. See, it is typos, that's fine. Now click on submit query. See, it is created, but it is not showing. So click on refresh. See, new database test DB is there. Okay. Again, if you want to go back, just go to this localhost. Hit enter. Okay. Now we will see how to create a sample PHP script and execute. Go to terminal. Before that, ls. See, we have successfully installed. So remove this XAMPP file. It is not required anymore. Now go to XAMPP installation directory cd opt lamp ls. See, here we have the files related to the lamp. Now go to htdocs ls. We have index.php and more other files. Now create a file. Sudo vi welcome.php. It is type of welcome.php. Press I to insert mode. Go welcome. Put semicolon, close the PHP tag. Save the file. Hit enter. The file name is welcome.php. Now go to here, remove this dashboard, then give welcome.php. See, we got the output. Okay. Go to control panel, stop the Apache server, Apache web server. Stop it. See, it is stopped. Now reload this page. See, it won't work. Okay. So start it again. See, it is loaded. And also, if you want to see the configuration files information about this Apache web server, select the service here and click on configure. See, this is a port number. If you want to see if you want to open access log, click on here, error log and config file. If you want to open config file, you have to click on here. In the same way, for MySQL, that is MariaDB, see, the default port is 3306. And I want to show you. It is installed MariaDB. Go to PHP MyAdmin, click on any database, then query, then run the query, select version, then submit query. See, we have installed MariaDB 10.4. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is, suppose if you close this one and you want to know how to open it. See, you can open by going to lamp directory, cd pwd, I am in /opt lamp ls. See, if you close that one, you can run this file. So sudo ./manager, give that up. It is not working. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. See, we got the XAMPP control panel. Okay. If you want to stop all services, click on stop all. If you want to restart, click on restart. If you want to start all at a time, click on start. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Parrot Security OS 6.2. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.